Hit it. It'll start sparking when you get it right. There you go. Look.
All right, guys, I've got an hour of sunlight left, and I'm being a little ambitious here, but got the chainsaw, and there's this very large dead tree that would put our sign at risk if it falls on it. So I'm gonna see if I can get this tree out of the way so we can keep working on the sign over the next couple days. So we'll see if I can get it to fall in a good spot so I don't have to do too much cleaning up. And yeah, we have no idea which way that's gonna go. That probably wants to go in the road, but we'll see. Took our notch out the front here. The tree hasn't moved much. I'm going to come in and do my back cut here. Move about 20% of the width of the tree to use as a hinge. So we'll hopefully get it to go where we want it. We'll see. All right, good news and bad news. So, being the unexperienced tree feller that I am, I'm pretty proud of the fact that I got it starting to go in the right direction, and a tiny little branch at the top is holding this whole thing up. So we've got like 30 minutes of daylight left to figure this out. It is extremely dangerous right now, but we are on the right path at least. guys, as you can see, that was absolutely incredible. I felt comfortable with using the tractor there at the end because it was leaning quite a bit, and the chance of it coming back over towards the tractor were pretty slim. But I did leave the wedges in there just in case. If it did start to lean back, the wedges would kind of give it an extra bit of resistance from it coming over on top of the tractor. And I went slow. I put the bucket pretty high up to use some leverage, and just in first gear, got up close, put some pressure on it, and then used the hydraulic to kind of encourage it to go where we wanted it to. It's out of the road, so no cleanup for me today. Now we're just gonna go watch this beautiful sunset and you know, just clean up a little bit. So that was awesome, a very productive day. And now that that tree's out of the way, we can worry about putting in some posts and getting the sign up. And now we don't have to worry about the tree coming down and crushing our hard work. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.